In this video, I'm going to show you a very clever Shopify store that is making more than $1 million every single month selling one product on their store. How you can learn from that, their awesome marketing, the product itself, the whole brand. You're going to absolutely get a lot of value from this. All right, the brand is called Jawzrsize. You might have seen them around. Their brand in the US started by this guy right here. We're gonna go into his story in just a second. It'll really inspire you to build your own brand based on your own life. And it's basically a hands-free workout. And what you do with it, it's basically to shape your chin right here, shape your jaw. So basically jaw exercise, Jawzrsize. And a lot of people are using it because they maybe have a double chin or their jaw doesn't look that great and want to have a strong jaw. And in the case of the actual founder, which is this guy right here, if you click on the About page, you'll see that the story behind the brand is really touching. This guy was actually in a motorcycle accident. He messed up his entire jaw, like here, like showing here, Brandon Harris here, the CEO. He was in a coma and he messed up his entire face, and then he was trying to find a way to get a stronger jaw, to have a strong jaw, to basically have a strong face again. And he built, or he got the idea of this particular jaw exercise tool, started using it, got his jaw back in control, he was strong again, and then started selling it to people as Jawzrsize, as the own brand. And even though it's a custom product, there's a ton of other products very similar to this that were available even before he started Jawzrsize. I'm gonna show you how to identify some of those products. And if you check how much money this particular store is making, if we first check on Salesforce, which is one of the tools that I used to analyze it, it says domain creation 5 years ago, 1 million to 2 million a month. And if we check another tool, Niche Scraper, which I also like to check a lot in the store analysis tab, it says 500,000 to 600,000 a month. With an average monthly traffic of 761,000, I assume they're making between $700 and $1 million every single month. So it's an 8-figure brand, absolutely crushing it with just that one Jawzrsize product. They're also selling a Jawzrsize Mini, and they've been featured on many different outlets. And the story behind this, I want you to understand how this guy turned obviously a very tragic moment in his life into a massive 8-figure brand. It doesn't have to be a tragic moment that you experience in your life, but you want to scratch your own itch. You want to find something that you struggle with in your life that really messes you up, that you have this problem that you can't solve. Try to find a product that can solve it. If there's a product that already exists, or there's a product that you want to create later on, that's definitely the first thing that you need to look at when you're looking at building a business or building a successful product business, is looking at, what do I struggle with? How do I solve that? And do other people struggle with it as well, so I can sell them the same product? And they do great Facebook ads. Obviously on Facebook, they have this Facebook page with a lot of different followers, Jawzrsize Fitness for Your Face. They made this quote, fitness for your face, because that's literally what it is, just a face fitness product, hands-free product. And they're targeting a lot of women now, very interestingly. And it says what's super unique about Jawzrsize, and it's just a woman using it and talking about it. I definitely recommend you to run ads like this as well. Even if you're targeting men, for example, in this case, they're targeting women and men. Let's say that you run an ad targeting only women. You put women on the ad, talking about the product, using the product. Maybe it's a beauty cream, they're using the beauty cream, they're talking about it. Definitely those types of ads that are testimonial, but also showing the product, tend to do extremely well, and it gets attention from people. Because if there's a woman watching this, or in this case actually put a man there, but let's say you're a man and you watch this video right here. Hey, I love this Jawzrsize, and he's talking about how great it is. And on the top it says shop now and get mini pop and go. Slims your cheeks, neck and chin, tones and contours your face, chisels your jaw. Within seconds you feel your jaw activated. The guy is using it. Let's say you're a guy around 30, 40 years old. You see this particular ad, boom, it catches your attention. You're like, what is this? Let me go check it out. And the more wow factor your product is, in this case, this product is extremely wow factor. You see it and you think, what is this little thing that they're using and they're biting really weird with? I'm gonna go check it out. And the same thing happens with multiple of their other ads, really well structured. And really quick, I just wanna congratulate Aakriti right here for winning the $0 to $300,000 case study that I did with my student Johnny. We show you the ads, the strategy, absolutely everything that it took to get him from 0 to 300K on a Shopify store. If you want to win it, all you got to do, leave a comment below, whether it's if you like the video, where you're from in the world, where you're watching me from, or a question that you have about your business. Make sure to comment it down below. Subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell and that like button down below, and I'll pick a winner from this video.
Training my jaw, I'm making my jaw stronger.
Like that.
What's up, guys? I'm UFC fighter Mick Gall.
And they also get UFC fighters, people that are in this niche of going and training their jaw, making their body stronger. They also get people like that.
And I just started using Jazzercise. This is a great tool for anybody in a fight sport. Boxers train, people are chewing gum. This is the next level. This is an actual tool. It's just gonna give me an even more chiseled jaw.
That's awesome. It's a little bit pixelated there, but the video is actually awesome. And they have just again and again, more and more people using it, compilations of people using it, compilations of people talking about it. And the owner also does ads himself. That's something that a lot of people in the dropshipping world, they don't talk about, is doing your own ads. If you have a product that you're proud of, custom, or maybe a product that you're custom packaging, you order it to your house, do videos with it, do custom content, custom pictures, custom videos. It'll really help you out. It'll go a long, long way. And it also says American made and patented. Now they've actually patented the product. If you check on AliExpress, there's many products just like it. Obviously, no recommendation to sell this product. I definitely don't recommend you because it is patented. So if you try to sell one of these knockoffs, you probably will get shut down. Shopify, Facebook, Google will shut you down. So definitely don't recommend you. But it is something that has been selling even before this guy built a brand out of it. They were selling jaw exercising products. People are interested in strengthening their jaw. He found a problem that he had. He found a problem that other people had, created a product very similar to the ones that were already in the market and started selling. I would definitely recommend you to look at what am I struggling with? What problem do I have? What product can I get to solve that problem? Does AliExpress or any other supplier have that product or a product similar to that? Maybe you can contact the manufacturer. For example, obviously I'm using this example, but this could be anything else. You can contact Outdoor Tools World Store, which is the people that are selling this particular product. And most of these suppliers, if you have a couple of orders on other products or you're already growing your Shopify store and they trust you enough, they're willing to do some changes to their products to try to find you the exact custom-made product that you want, or maybe a different model that you can patent, you can get a trademark, you can protect later on as your own custom product. A lot of suppliers will be open to this, to doing it with you if they trust you or if you've been working for a while together, a couple of months. And then once you get that, you get your product that scratches your own itch, you have people that are interested in doing it, you go and you create testimonial-based videos. If you don't have the money to hire someone to use it, you don't have the money to get someone to use it, or maybe you don't want to show other people, you can just show yourself. This is the owner right here. You've seen the videos, you know it works. Now it's trying to try it risk-free. This is more of a retargeting ad. Yeah, the ones that he's doing are more retargeting ads.
Brandon Harris, CEO of Jazzercise, cruising around Southern Cali, getting my facial fitness on. Oil one time to fit.
That's perfect. That's the type of ad that'll get attention. It'll get people to look at it, to click on it, and to buy. It's the CEO of the company, you, talking about your own product, talking how great it is, and actually using it. Because that's what I see a lot of people. They're selling. One guy, he wanted to sell bikinis, wanted to sell lingerie, just because he said, oh yeah, women buy lingerie, women buy swimwear. It's like, dude, you can't pretend to know all about this particular market. You can't pretend to sell all about swimsuits, all about lingerie without really knowing anything about it. It's not just because, oh, people buy it. Better to sell something that you yourself are the customer. It's gonna be much more powerful to sell it, and you can create ads like this in many different situations. You can also start hiring people, obviously when you have more money, to do it in many different parts. You can hire attractive women to do it, attractive men to do it, and you can run ads just like this. And you can also educate people as to why they need your product. Our face and neck have over 57 muscles. It's time to start exercising them. Chisel your jaw, sculpt your chin, tone your muscles, look attractive AF. American made with 1,000 reviews. Just send it back and we'll give you a full refund if you don't like it. And also get people from TikTok, Instagram influencers to also promote it for you. Definitely a great way to build a brand long term, not be one of those regular dropshipping stores or general dropshipping stores. You're building a real company that you're passionate about and you're getting great results from. I hope you got value from this video and this brand, and I hope you analyze them more, check them out, see what their strategy is. If you want help directly from me and my team to build your Shopify store this year and beyond, get results, grow your business, you want to make sure that you book a free strategy call with the first link in the description. You can book it at any time, whatever time is good for you. Our team will be available. We're going to talk together and get your results and see where we can take your business to 10K a month, 100K a month, even more, whatever your goal is. It's completely for free. Go ahead and book it right now. Now that you know how this brand built themselves up from nothing, if you want to find a product that you can start selling, that you can build a brand out of, I actually made a video on how I found a winning product in less than 1 minute. Literally, all the strategy, how I did that, you can check it right here. Finding a winning product in just 20 seconds. Go ahead and subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell and that like button down below, and make sure to book a call with us. I will see you on the next video.